Hi and welcome to this video on the Metaverse. If you're familiar with virtual reality or augmented reality, you might be wondering what the Metaverse is and how it differs from these technologies. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the concept of the Metaverse, exploring its history and development, and discussing its features and potential. We'll also be examining some of the challenges and considerations that come with the creation and adoption of Metaverse technologies. So, what is the Metaverse? The Metaverse is a term used to describe a virtual shared space, created by the convergence of virtually enhanced physical reality and physically persistent virtual space, including the sum of all virtual worlds, augmented reality, and the Internet. In other words, it's a virtual world that is accessible and interconnected with the real world. The Metaverse differs from virtual reality, which is a fully immersive digital environment that is disconnected from the real world. It also differs from augmented reality, which involves the overlay of digital information onto the real world. The Metaverse is a combination of these technologies, but it also goes beyond them by being a persistent, continuously evolving space that is accessible and interconnected with the real world. The history of the Metaverse. The concept of the Metaverse has been around for decades, with early predictions and concepts dating back to the 1960s. In the 1990s, the rise of the Internet and the development of virtual worlds and online communities laid the foundation for the Metaverse. Since then, the concept of the Metaverse has evolved and expanded, with the proliferation of video games, virtual worlds, and augmented reality experiences. Today, we are starting to see the emergence of Metaverse technologies and platforms that aim to create a seamless, interconnected virtual world that is accessible from anywhere and anytime. The features of the Metaverse. So, what makes the Metaverse different from other virtual and augmented reality technologies? Here are a few key features. Persistence and continuity. One of the key features of the Metaverse is that it is a persistent, continuously evolving space. This means that the virtual world and the actions and interactions that take place within it have lasting effects and consequences. Shared experiences and social interaction. The Metaverse is a space where people can come together and share experiences and interact with each other in a virtual environment. This can include activities such as gaming, socializing, and even working together. Customization and self-expression. The Metaverse allows for a high degree of customization and self-expression. Users can create and customize their own avatars, and even design and build their own virtual spaces and experiences. Real-world and virtual commerce. The Metaverse has the potential to blur the lines between the real world and the virtual world when it comes to commerce. Users can buy and sell virtual goods and services, and even use virtual currencies to make transactions. Examples of the Metaverse. So, where can we find examples of the Metaverse today? Here are a few examples. Video games. Many video games today have elements of the Metaverse, with persistent virtual worlds and the ability for players to interact with each other in real time. Virtual worlds. Platforms such as Second Life and Minecraft have created virtual worlds where users can create and customize their own avatars, build and design virtual spaces, and interact with each other. Augmented reality and mixed reality experiences. The Metaverse also includes augmented reality and mixed reality experiences, which involve the overlay of digital information onto the real